This is elevator number 3 at Amberson Gardens Apartments in North Oakland / Shadyside / Bloomfield, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, as well as all the other elevators and buildings here. This is a vintage Haughton elevator with an EPCO Flushline slap-on mod, probably done in the 70s or 80s. But this one has different kind of black buttons for the hall stations, at least on the first floor. Go down the B, interior go down. Original indicator. Original controller, just a slap-on mod, probably in the 70s. Here a B. This does have an epic motor. Luckily the fan's off as well on this one. Welcome to 6. Interior go up. Here at 6. Go back down to 1. Emergency phone numbers, industrial, commercial, elevator maintains this. Case fire and ice elevators, here's your certificate. Any old certificates on it, I guess it used to be in the office, now it's in the elevator. Here's your basic carpeted dirt green cap. Sorry if you can't see it that well. Haughton. Slightly modernized in the 70s, but it's not a bad mod at all. Here back at 1.